In this video, we're going to learn how to make a scatter plot, both in base R and in ggplot2. So to start off, we're going to load the tidyverse, which includes the ggplot2 package. We're going to be using this diamonds dataset, and these are just some custom colors we're going to use to color some points. Now, to make a scatter plot in base R, you just use the plot function, and you want to pass in two different variables separated by a comma. So you set x equal to the variable you want on the x-axis, and you set y equal to the variable you want on the y-axis, and these should both be numeric variables. And when you run this, it'll plot a point at the x and y coordinates specified by these two columns. I'll run this, it'll take a second. So you've successfully created a scatter plot here showing carat weight on x and carat price on the y-axis. So we can do the same thing in ggplot2. To do that, we pipe the data to ggplot. For the aesthetics, we need to pass in the same x and y variables as we did above. So x is going to equal carat, y equals price. And then for the geometry, we add it with plus. And in this case, we want geom point. That's the one that draws points, which creates a scatter plot. So we'll run this, and it should look similar to the one we created above, just with the ggplot2 formatting to it. So it looks a little bit nicer, perhaps. And of course, with ggplot, you can add a lot of extra formatting and stuff if you want to. So here's just an example of the same plot, but we're going to add some color to it. So we're coloring the points by the colors of the diamonds. So this will just make the plot perhaps look a little nicer and might also give us some insight into how the carat weight and price also relate to the diamond color. So there's the final plot, and that's how to make scatter plots in ggplot2. All the code used in this video is available in the description below. If you found this video useful, drop a like, and if you're interested in more data science content, hit subscribe.